Hello, I'm Eric Falk with Here Technologies, and I'm excited to show you something that's going to change how you work with Here APIs. It's our new AI assistant on the Here platform. The AI assistant is fast, it's context-aware, and it's here to help you build smarter. You can think of it as a new coding sidekick built right into the Here platform. It's designed to get you up and running faster, so you can generate working code that's aligned with your projects and use cases. The alpha release is now live for Here customers that are on our base plan, and you can find it directly in the production launcher under AI Assistant. So what can it do? This release supports anything related to the Here Maps API for JavaScript. So from how do I show traffic on a map to give me code to calculate a route from A to B using the Here Routing API. The assistant will respond instantly, provide documentation, snippets, code samples, and even live map previews. So this should save time evaluating APIs. Whether you're new to the Here platform or just exploring a new API, the assistant can help you get unblocked fast and understand how services work together. That way, hopefully you can build confidence faster by showing how real-world use cases map to Here APIs. So let's take a look at this in practice. We're going to start with asking it to show us a simple route from San Francisco to San Jose. And the assistant will respond with a complete HTML and JavaScript code snippet, initializes the map, calculates the route, and draws it with a polyline, then adds a small set of circular markers for each maneuver, and the view will automatically adjust to fit the route. The main takeaway is that you can ask continuing questions on the same topic. So next, we'll ask if it can route from the Museum of Modern Art in San Francisco to the San Jose airport. And the assistant will update the code with the new coordinates for both locations. And everything else will stay in place. So just a new origin and destination reflected in the working output. You can scroll up and see the steps and the map rendering. And finally, let's just change the route color. So I'll ask to change it to green. And the assistant will update the styling in the JavaScript, changing the stroke color of the polyline from blue to green. And we can see that in the instructions that we changed the stroke color. With just a few follow-up prompts, the assistant will help you build, adjust, and customize a complete route visualization. And that's just one of many things that it can do now with the Maps API for JavaScript. And we can see that the code works if we copy and paste it into a code editor. So what's coming next? We're expanding its capabilities to include these 8 additional REST APIs that cover a wide range of location-based services. And these are all part of the Here base plan. And beyond API expansion, we'll also bring smarter, more accurate responses that are powered by updated AI models, better latency for quicker replies, and UI and UX upgrades so you can get better code previews and map visuals. So you ready to try it out? Then head on over to platform.here.com and try out the Here AI Assistant, see how it fits into your workflow. If you want to request a product, service, or use case for our AI Assistant to cover next, please visit our Slack channel, platform-AI-assistant, to send us your request, or if you have any issues or general feedback. Thanks for watching.